Good morning. Welcome to day 1 of this 7-day, 5-minute a day meditation challenge. I just want to invite you to get up at a certain time every morning, 5 or 5:30, and before you check your phone, before you do anything, get into the habit of going into your meditation space, whether that's a closet or a bathroom or a living room. Find a private spot and sit in a comfortable seated pose. It's always important to have your spine straight. And it's okay to find a way to support your back. You can sit in a chair or you can sit on the floor like I'm doing. If you're sitting on the floor, you could put something behind your back like a bolster or a blanket. It's always comfortable to have a little support back there. You can have a candle lit. I always like the ceremony of a candle. And then I set my timer for 5 minutes or 30 minutes, whatever my challenge is. But right now, you and I together are doing a 7-day, 5-minute a day challenge, because you gotta start somewhere. And sometimes it seems overwhelming, but 5 minutes a day, we can do this. So I'm gonna reach down and set my timer over here, and I'm gonna join you. I'm gonna shut my eyes, and every time a thought comes in your mind, just pretend like it's on a cloud and let it just float away. Don't get irritated when your thoughts come up. It's quite all right, it's normal. So enough talk, let's do this. And that was 5 minutes. Congratulations if this was your first time. And if you had thoughts come in your head that wouldn't stop, that's okay. You got to start somewhere. Have a great day.